case you were wondering, how long will it take after you receive your electronic confirmation of PR to get your PR card? I have an accurate timeline for you. I have been through the process and I have just received my PR card in the mail. So I can tell you exactly how long it took me to get the PR card. In this video, I will share with you the timeline between getting the electronic confirmation to the PR card. Also, I will share with you what you can do with the electronic confirmation and what you cannot do. In addition, I will just inform you of some normal things that happen when they are mailing the PR card. For instance, me, my husband, and my daughter, the three of us applied together. We all received the electronic confirmation at the same time. However, we received our PR card at different timelines. But they both received their PR card at the same time, and I received my PR card 6 days after. I was wondering that perhaps it was lost in the mail or something happened. I even went and checked with the neighbor to see if they have received the mail from me, but nothing. Then I learned that this is totally normal and I will receive my card shortly. And yep, there you go, I have just received it. I am happy that I received it because with the electronic confirmation, you can transact business as usual. However, you cannot travel. It is advised that you wait until you receive the PR card before you travel, as they will ask you for it when you are returning in the country. And now I can book my trip to Jamaica. All right. So here goes. Let me tell you some of the things you can do with your electronic confirmation of permanent residency and what you cannot do, and you'll have to wait until you receive the PR card before you can do all these things. So here are some things to note after you receive the electronic confirmation of permanent residence. That's the ECOPS. That means you are officially a permanent resident. You must download, print a copy, sign it, and save it both electronically and physically. Also, you should ensure your personal details match that of your passport. I did say things you can do, but let me say things you must do. When your status changes from temporary to permanent, that simply means that your old SIN is no longer valid. It has expired. So you should visit Service Canada or you can apply online to get a new SIN number. So very important now, you have to get a new SIN number. Secondly, if you were on a closed work permit, you can seek a new job. So that means if you were tied to an employer because they sponsor your work permit, you can now leave that employer and seek a new job. You should also inform your employer of the changes so your information can be updated for tax purposes. The third thing to do is to update your health insurance to permanent status. The one you would have had is temporary, and whenever your status expires, it expires as well. So it's very important that you update these documents. Number four, you have to update your CRA account. And no, these are not done in any specific order. I'm just listing. It's very, very important that you update your CRA account as soon as you get your new SIN number. Because if you don't, and you're supposed to get any benefits, say child care benefits, GST, you will not get it. It will be delayed unless these new documents are updated. Update your bank, and this will qualify you for more products from the bank, and it can also increase your credit limit and your credit score. Another thing to do is to update your driver's license. Now, if you're in Alberta, they're now tying it with your health insurance card, so all the cards will be in one. However, you must update your driver's license because the expiration date is tied to when your document expires on your next birthday. Last but certainly not least, You can apply for your child or your spouse to come to Canada once you have received the electronic confirmation. No need to wait until you have received the PR card. The electronic confirmation can use as a document to sponsor your child or your spouse to come to Canada. So go ahead and put in that application. So basically, the only thing you're advised not to do without the PR card is to travel outside of the country, because this has now become a part of your travel document and a proof that you are a permanent resident of Canada. Let us talk about the timeline. My husband and my daughter card came before mine. It came in 10 weeks and 4 days time. I don't know what's the reasoning behind that. Maybe because he's the main applicant and my daughter is a minor. Maybe, I don't know. But we all applied together. We all got the e-cops together. So I don't understand why, but nonetheless mine still came after. Anyways, I was in no hurry because I know that I would have received it in the mail anyways. And the electronic confirmation could have done anything I wanted to be done at this point. 6 days later, mine arrived. That means it took me 11 weeks and 3 days to receive my PR in the mail. And there goes my immigration journey. If you want to learn more, I have videos on this platform talking about the previous stages and outlined the timeline and what occurred. And this is a short one, my people. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you so much for watching. I just came on here to give an update. Thank you so much. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.